are back with a new vlog series.
Yeah, it'll be a short one, but...
Yeah, this is sort of a travel one, which is the short bit, and sort of an ongoing series because I'm turning 30 next month. Sad face. So I've decided to do 30 new things for my 30th year, and this is number 1, which is...
Girls trip away.
Girls trip. So we are currently at Exeter Airport, and we are off to London for the weekend, which I'm really excited about. Really cool. Lots of fun things to happen, so watch along.
Some Disney stuff.
Some Disney stuff, and also this is actually our first internal flight. We've only ever flown out the country.
First ever trip away together.
Yeah. And first flight without the boys. So let's do this. We are currently in the executive lounge at Exeter Airport because you get access with any London City Airport flight, which is quite cool. So got a nice little runway view, so we can get coffee and some breakfast before our flight. Hey guys, so we are in Travelodge as a wild Becca. If you've been watching these vlogs since our 2017 Vlogmas, you might recognise this view. Is it going to focus? Let me see. Oh, yeah. I booked the same travel lodge that Carla and I stayed in. I thought she was going to join us, apparently not. In December 2017. They have put us in the exact same room. It's amazing. You couldn't write this stuff. What's also really interesting is I actually complained because they advertised king size beds and we had 2 singles. They have replaced it with a king size bed, so winner. Me and Beck won't be falling onto the floor. So I'll give you a quick obligatory Travelodge room tour, and then
Same as every Travelodge.
yeah, they're all slightly different. I mean, we have this weird cavernous space down here, which, to be fair, when Carla and I were up here last time, we used to fill with shopping.
But we don't have that much allowance for that.
No, we flew, so we can't fill it. But yeah, we have a nice big desk along here.
They put like a little sofa.
Some of them do have sofas, so I don't know, that's like the perfect space.
I'm pretty sure I could lay down in this gap.
You lie down in this gap. This is fine. She's going to in a second. As soon as I turn around.
I'm trying to debate whether it's long now.
Give it a go. Not quite, but she is very tall. Well, if she's wriggly tonight, you know where she's sleeping. So yeah, we have shelving units, big mirror, on inboard, desk, TV, coffee, tea and coffee. There's an iron, there's a mini hairdryer, bottle opener, little bathroom. All good. Happy?
You look tiny. Why are you so short today?
Shut up. She's always picking on me. So yeah. And now...
Oh, you took your shoes off.
Not that they're flats. Anyway. Now we are off for the second new thing for my 30th year. We're going to knock a few out this weekend, I think.
Oh.
And we are going to watch... Technically it was to watch a West End show. We're not actually going to the West End, but we are going to the Royal Albert Hall. So we are counting that because...
You get a box.
We get a box, and amazing. And we are going to watch the Disney Broadway hits on stage. So we are so... No, I can't... can't get you in. So yeah, that's better. Okay. So really excited to go and see this. We have probably about 5 minutes for a quick coffee before we need to make our way up there.
Coffee's really hot.
Is it?
Yeah, I might have to put some cold water in it because I ran out of milk.
Yeah. Annoying. But there is a Tesco and a Sainsbury's like within a minute, so maybe we can get some milk on the way back tonight because we drink a lot of coffee.
You drink a lot of coffee.
We'll catch up with you in a bit. We're in our box. So we are still just about in our box. The lighting is horrible. I've just smacked Becca in the face. There it is. It's out there. What did you think?
It was really good.
It was so cute. I mean, I think it's only fair to say if you do buy tickets, there are some songs that are not Disney.
Yes.
But the singers were so good. You can't see my face, I apologise. But the singers were so good, it kind of made up for it anyway, I think.
Yeah, they were really
Like,
good.
it's amazing. I wasn't emotionally ready. I cried a bit.
They started on Beauty and the Beast. I thought she was going to cry.
Yeah. But yeah, this is the box in the Royal Albert Hall, which has been beautiful.
And
And
an ice cream.
we had ice cream. And now we're going to go and find churros because this is what adults do when they're on their own in London unsupervised. So we tried to go to the Knot for some churros and it was busy, wasn't it? And we didn't fancy it, so we didn't. No, so now we just...
I got mayo chicken.
Yeah, we got mayo chicken and we've just had a wander around Harrods and now we are in the Harrods tea rooms because my work paid for us to have a cream tea for my birthday, so we're going to tuck into that when it arrives. I'll show you what we get when it gets here, but yeah, and I'll give you a sneaky look around. Okay, sorry guys, we both ate our plain scones before I remembered to show you, but we had a plain and a raisin scone, Harrods signature strawberry jam and clotted cream, and then I have tea, and Becca has tea. Oh god, gone tea. Is your tea good?
1849.
Mine was Georgian. We can't tell you much more, they took the menu away. Guys, look where we ended up. Where are we, Beck?
We are at King's Cross.
Yes.
But these are from my work.
Yes, they are. We had to go via here anyway, so we figured it would be rude to not get off the underground and come and check out the shop while London is not doing their own booths. We'll catch up with you in a bit. But yeah, we are at the Harry Potter shop at platform 9 3/4 at King's Cross, which is pretty cool. And she's trying to buy everything, so I'm going to go supervise her. So we have just come back to our hotel. Becca's here, and we're eating here because, quite frankly, we're too tired to go anywhere else.
A weird hypertiredness.
Yeah, so we're just going to eat, I think, and then head up to our room and chill out. Becca picked the table number. What table did you pick? So weird. So yeah, let's see what we're going to get to eat. So here is dinner. We couldn't decide what we wanted, so we have a beef burger and a chicken burger, and we are having half each because
I
adulting.
decide when you don't have to.
Yeah, so we're going to tuck into this. Good morning. So it is day 2 in London. Bex is in the vlog from over there apparently.
Yeah, I sat down.
Yeah. So we are up and ready to go. It's like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, we had a bit of a slow start this morning.
We did. Yesterday was very tiring. So today is a bit of sightseeing this morning and then some shopping this afternoon, isn't it? And then maybe some cocktails, depending how we feel later.
We do seem to have sightseeing, food, shop,
Yup.
food.
So the current decision is whether we go get breakfast first and then go to the Globe, or whether we go to the Globe first and then get breakfast. Either way, we're going to the same place because there are a few of them across London. So we shall decide and you'll see what we do when we make a decision. So we've just had breakfast in Pitfields. We were going to go breakfast club, but it was like a 20-minute wait outside and it's raining.
It's very rainy.
So we found this place and it's adorable and the food is amazing and we highly recommend it if you're ever in Shoreditch. Forgot where I was for a second.
Pictures.
Yes, I will put photos of our breakfast in for you now and we'll catch up with you at our next stop. We've abandoned sightseeing for the time being because it's super windy and raining. So the plan for this morning was sightseeing and shopping this afternoon. We're just going to switch it up and see what happens this afternoon. So we're going to go and tackle Tottenham Court Primark, which is massive. Wish us luck.
We're going to get lost.
So, currently stood under the Millennium Bridge, which you may recognise from Harry Potter, of course. The weather forecast's been 90% rain all day, and it hasn't been that bad.
No.
So we decided to walk from the tube station to the Globe, and it downpoured the whole way across. So that was just fabulous. But the Globe is over here, so we're going to go check it out. we got a bit detoured on our way to our next stop, but we found an outdoor gym that Becca is currently testing out. She doesn't trust the running machine though. It's very wet. Cross trainer.
No, not that. That's
Oh. Casually working out in the middle of a park in the middle of London somewhere.
Yep. Fine, us. We're looking for Disney Street.
I was going to say we don't 100% know where we are, but I'm pretty sure that's the Shard. So,
Something in the globe.
yeah, we haven't wandered too far yet. We just got a bit turned around. You having fun? Yeah. So we finally found. Wow, what is this curl here?
I don't know. Wait,
Ignore the rain hair. Yeah. We finally found what we've been wandering around the back end of London for.
Not the
Look.
park.
No, the park was just Becca's distraction. So we are on Disney Street. Actually, nothing to do with Walt Disney as such.
There's Disney Place as well. We
Yes.
found Disney Place.
But he did have his photo taken here, which is pretty dang cool. So we're going to get our photos taken here too. So we are back in our hotel room because the weather is insane. She's fine. She's burning herself making tea. So, you know, hardcore. 20 to 7. We are... No, we're going to go back out for dinner. But we're not really hungry enough for dinner yet. And it was bucketing it down. So we have been to... Let's see if I can do this one-handed without, like, making a mess. Probably not. Donut time. And we have a Stranger Rings donut.
They all had brilliant names.
Yes.
In a restaurant.
And we like Stranger Things, so, you know, had to be done. So we're going to have that, cup of tea for Beck, cup of coffee for me. And we thought we'd do a little mini London haul, which is all scattered around me, because why the heck not? So I only bought myself kind of 2 things. I bought the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which I've been wanting to try for a while, but I wanted to go into the shop on Carnaby Street so they could colour match it for me, which he did. Pearl, if anybody is interested. Yeah, so I picked that up for me. And then my only goal for today was to get a Lush bath bomb. We have got the butterfly pink and blue bath bomb, and we're going to soak our feet with it in a minute because,
London feet.
yeah, and we don't have a bath at home. And as you know, if we go on holiday, we pick some up, pick up some bath bombs so we can do that. And then lastly, I have a gift for Emma and Ashley, which is this really cute Donald and Daisy teacup. Egg cups. That word escaped me completely. Although I think these might be more for an Emma than for an Ashley. Sorry, Ashley, because it's actually your birthday as well this weekend, so that was a bit mean, really. Oops. Let me turn you around and Becca can show you what she got.
Right, I picked up this in Primark. It's a pyjama top, but I'm probably going to end up wearing it as a normal top because it's really cute. It's a little honey pot down there. And we went into Debenhams, didn't we?
Yes.
And they had the Kat Von D Fetish palette reduced. So shiny.
Yeah, see, this light's not doing it justice, but it is so pretty.
And a new lipstick.
Cause why not?
Yes.
Because it's my birthday weekend.
I can't remember what that's called. Suspiria.
There you go.
Yeah.
Just gonna chill out here for a bit, have our donut, have our coffee. Hope that the weather dies down, but either way we will dry out and then we'll figure out what we are gonna go and eat. Foods. Okay, it's like 8 o'clock and we have finally decided to venture back outside and we are going to go and try out Flatiron for dinner. So I'll show you when we get there. We've just eaten in Flatiron. Was yeah, look at all this cuteness. It was so good, so
Considering
tasty.
we didn't want to leave the room because we were like, it's cold and it's rainy.
Although it's actually not raining, it just sounded like it was. It's just the wind. But yeah, really, really good. So good. Highly recommend it. Not massively expensive, it's like 30 quid for 2 of us, so all in, pretty happy, aren't we?
Popcorn.
And you get
Weirdly,
popcorn.
while you wait.
And the service was top notch.
Yeah.
So we are happy. morning. So we are up and ready for our final day in London. I say final day, it's final half day? Yeah. Ish. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but it's stopped raining. It's looking pretty sunny. I think it's a bit windy and chillier today, but we would rather that than get wet again. The wet was not the most fun we had.
And I said, you know, it's a little bit windy, but...
There you go. So yeah, all ready to go. We're all packed up. The travel lodge we're staying in has luggage service, so we're going to take our bags down now and leave those down there because then we can hit checkout. And then, yeah, we're off to Camden today, aren't we?
Yeah, you've never been, have you? So it'd be...
No, my hair's kind of recovered from the rain a little bit. It's still rebelling a tiny bit, but we'll be fine.
It's missing the sea air, I think.
Yeah. But yeah, so gonna go check out, get some breakfast, and we will see you at Camden. We are at Camden, probably a bit earlier than we should be because nothing's open, so
It's starting to.
yeah, we're just having a little wander and taking it all in. But this is very pretty. Lots of little pretty bits around here.
Got the Monopoly man in the background.
Yeah, so please just go and walk.
Yes.
So it's been a little while since we updated you actually. We have obviously finished at Camden because we are now in Leicester Square.
With the Queen.
Yeah, can we see? Yeah, can. So we had a nice little wander in Camden this morning.
It got very busy because as it opened, obviously everyone rushes in.
Yeah. And then we headed up to Covent Garden. We've been to Chinatown and got some lunch, which was amazing.
It was, and it was really well priced.
Yeah, it was a little restaurant called It's Time for Thai. Very cool.
Hot pot.
No, they do hot pot, which is a really cool concept. You have like a hot plate in the middle of your table, and they bring out the bowl, and you pick your own like broth and ingredients, and basically cook it yourself at your
We
table.
didn't get
which is
that,
cool.
but we saw someone doing it, and it looked really
Awesome.
good.
Yeah, but we had the set menu, which is $10.95. Apologies, there is construction over here somewhere.
We are considerate constructors, apparently.
Yes. So yeah, it was $10.95 for a drink and 2 courses, and it was so good, and we are so full. And now we are going to go to the Lego store and the M&M store and head up to Piccadilly Circus, and then start making our way back to the hotel, get our stuffs.